You can create this website and deploy in 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. I will show you the step by step on how you can do that, and at the end of this video you will have your own live website. In this video we will first download the source code, then edit the code using VS Code and install Git, then create GitHub account and upload the project on GitHub, and finally deploy using Netlify. So let's get started. So the first thing we will do is download the source code from the free-css.com. So for that, just go to your favorite browser and search for free-css and just go to this first link from free-css.com. So here you will be able to see all the templates. So let me just click on this free CSS templates. So let me just quickly edit one templates from here. So you can just click on one of the templates, and also you can just see the live demo as well. So I will be editing this portfolio website, or you can just edit any one of them just by going to this free CSS templates. So let me just click and download. So once this is downloaded, let me just go into the folder and let me just right click and extract here. So let me just click on extract. So once this is extracted, so let me just open this with the VS Code. So for that, let me just quickly download the Visual Studio Code. So just go into this first link from visualstudio.com. So here you can just simply click on download for free. So once the exe file is downloaded, let me just double click to install this VS Code. So let me just accept the license agreement, just click on next, just paste in next, and just click on install. So this will install the VS Code into our computer, and just click on finish. So this will start the VS Code as well. So once the VS Code is installed, so you can just simply click onto this Explorer here and click on open folder, and just go into the extracted folder, which is this one. So let me just click here and just click inside here and click on select folder. So this will open this, and you can just click on trust author, and here you can see the index.html, so where you can see all the HTML code, and inside this assets, so you will be able to see this CSS and the download fonts and all the things inside here, so images. So now we will be editing this HTML code and customize our website, and then we will be publishing onto the Netlify. So for that, so let me just quickly install one of the extension which is called live server. So just search for live server. So let me just install this one. So this will help us to run inside our local machine. So once this is installed, so let me again go to the Explorer and inside the HTML. So let me just right click and open with the live server. So let me just click and allow and open with Chrome, and let me just click and allow. So you can see, so this is the website template which we have just downloaded. So let me just quickly edit some of the things from here. So first, let me just download one of the backgrounds. So for that, let me just use HonestPlus. So you can just search for honestplus.com. This will provide us some free images. So you can just search for programming. So let me just quickly download this one. So let me just click on download free, and let me just rename this one into something like background. So once this background image is downloaded, so we just want to replace this background image with the image which we have just downloaded. So let me just go into the code here, and let me just maximize this one. So here, just go inside this assets, inside images, and inside this about. So if I just check these images, so you can see, so this is the welcome banner. So we just want to replace this image. So let me just type Control Shift and F to search for this welcome banner. This is inside this style.css. Go inside the style.css into this Explorer. So just go inside CSS and style.css. So now if I just search for welcome banner, so you can see, so this is inside here. So we just want to replace this welcome banner with that image. So for that, let me just drag and drop the image from this downloads folder. So let me just drag this background, drag inside this about section. So we just want this image to be replaced with this one. So let me just maximize this one. So the path of the image is inside the images about, and background.jpg is the name. So let me just type background.jpg. So now if I just save this one and again go to the browser here, you can see, so the image has been already replaced. So also I just want to replace this image as well, and also I just want to replace this text. So for that, again go to the VS Code, and here, so I just want to replace this hi, I am code with Arjun, or you can just give your name. Simply change this UI UX developer into something like programming YouTube channel. So let me just save this one. And also instead of this download resume, you can just change this into link, or you can just upload your PDF and write the location. And if I just go here, so you can see, so this has already been changed here. So you can also change accordingly, so with your preference. So let me just change this image as well. So let me see where this image is. I think so this image is from here. So the name is profile image. So the name is profile underscore image. So it's inside this index.html. And so let me just click here. So it's inside here. So we just want to change this profile image into something like, so I have already generated this image from using Bing Image Creator. So you can just check out my video on how you can create the images using Bing Image Creator. So you can see, so this is the image. So I just want to replace this profile image with this profile. So let me just drag and drop into this about section, and let me just maximize this one, and let me just change this into profile.jpg and save this one. So now if I just go into the browser, so you can already see, so this has been changed. So you can accordingly change all the components here, and you can customize as you wish. So you can see the education section is skills. So I won't be editing the whole thing, so you can just edit as your preference. So once you do that, so the next step is to install Git. So for that, let me just go into the new tab of the browser, and you can just simply download Git, and let me just click on downloads here, and you can just simply click on downloads for Windows, and let me just download for 64-bit. So once this is downloaded, let me just go inside this downloads folder. So let me just double click to install this one. Just press next, and you can just simply click on next and just keep everything as default. So this will install the Git into our system. So let me just click on finish, and similarly, so we just have to create one GitHub account as well. So for that, again, go to the new tab and just go inside this github.com. So you can just simply click on sign up and provide your details like email, and you can just create the unique username. So once you create your GitHub account, so you can just simply sign in with your username and password. So once you sign in with your GitHub account, so this will show the user interface something like this. So from here you can just create the repository, but before that, so we will now add this code into the Git. So for that, you can just simply click on terminal and click on new terminal. So here, instead of this PowerShell, so we just have to choose, just click here and click on Git bash, which we have just installed. So once this is done, so you drag this here, and let me just type something like git init. So this will initialize this repository. Click enter. So let me just type git status. So you can see, so we just have to add these 3 files. So let me just type git add and dot here to add these files into the Git. So just click enter. So this will add all the files. So let me just clear the terminal. So you can just type clear and enter. So this will clear the terminal. And now if I just type git status, so you can see all the files has been successfully added. So similarly, so again, clear the terminal and just type. So we just have to first add the global configuration. So for that, just type git commit -m first commit. So this will ask us to add the global configuration. So you can just simply type the same command git config -global. So you can see the user.email. So user.email. So just provide the email with which you have created the GitHub account. So I will provide mine. And also we have to provide the username. So for that, just go into the GitHub account. So here, so this is my username. So let me just press an up arrow, and instead of this email, so we just have to type username, and let me just paste. So this is my username, and let me just click enter. So this will add this configuration into the global configuration. So let me just clear the terminal. So now you can commit. So just type git commit -m, and you can just give the name something like first commit. So from second time, so whatever change you make, so you can just give as message. So just click enter. So this will commit the file, and now we will be creating the remote repository inside the GitHub. So let me just go inside the GitHub account and click on create new repository. So here you can just give the name something like portfolio, or you can just give any name and you can just give the description and just simply click on create repository. So this will create the repository with the name portfolio. So we just have to copy this repository. So let me just simply copy this repository link from here and go to the VS Code again, and let me just clear the terminal and just type git remote add origin, and you just need to right click and paste the link which we have just copied and just click enter. So this will add this link as a remote repository link. So now you can finally push this local repository into remote. So you can just type git push and just click enter. So this is asking us to write the branch name as well. So let me just type git push -- set upstream. Just write the same command from above, upstream origin, and just type master and just click enter. So this might ask us to log in with the GitHub account as well. So let me just click on sign in with the browser. So just click enter. So let me just click on authorize Git ecosystem. So just click here. So the authentication is successful. So now if I just go into the VS Code, so you can see, so this is writing, and the local repository has been successfully pushed into the remote repository. So now if I just go into the GitHub account here and reload this one, so you can see, so the index.html has been added successfully. So inside assets, so you can see the CSS and all the files and folders which we have just edited. So the next step is to deploy using Netlify. So for that, let me just go into the new tab and search for Netlify, and let me just click on netlify.com here. So let me just click on sign up. So you can just simply sign up with the GitHub account. So you can just click on sign up with GitHub. So let me just authorize the Netlify. So once this is done, so let me just click on personal, just say personal site, and you can just click on continue to deploy, and let me just click on deploy with GitHub. So just click here, and you just need to authorize the Netlify. So just click on authorize Netlify. So you can just choose all repository, or you can just select the specific as well. So for now, I will just select all and click on install. So once this is done, so this will automatically detect the username and display all the repository. So we just want to deploy this portfolio which we have just added. So you can just simply click on here, so portfolio, and just click on deploy portfolio to Netlify. So just click here. So you can see the process, the deploy is on progress. So you can see the deployment is successful. Let me just click and get started here. So here you can just customize the name. So you can just click and make it your own. So just click on customize, and let me just give the site name something like, so you can just give which is available. So let me just type something like code with Arjun portfolio, or you can just simply type your name and just click on save. So if this is available, so this will automatically change the site name. You can see the site name is code with Arjun portfolio. So if you just scroll up, so here if you just click onto this one, so you can see, so this will now display this Netlify app here. So now you can access this website from any devices. So this is how you can make your simple website and deploy using Netlify. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.